Welcome to our MacGregor cat fence gate installation video. Like a climber atop Everest, you have reached the high point of cat fence installation. Start by noting two important points. First, you are going to start working from an ordinary post and extender arm already installed on your fence, which will wind up serving as one of the gate posts. And second, the distance between this post and the other gate support post is critical, because if this measurement is not made to exacting standards, the opening for the gate door will not be the right width and the gate latch will not work. So start by measuring the planned distance from the outside edge of your existing post to the outside edge of your forthcoming sleeve and post and mark it with a stake. This distance should be 39 3/4 inches for a 3-foot gate, 51 3/4 inches for a 4-foot gate, and 63 3/4 inches for a 5-foot gate. Place the outside edge of your post sleeve at the point marked and pound it into the ground with a hammer and drive cap. Use a carpenter's level to ensure that the sleeve is straight. Set the gate post, male end up, into the post sleeve. Measure the distance between the posts as you did before, but higher up, and use a level to confirm that neither post is tilted inward or outward. Apply a self-tapping screw to fix the new post in place using the 3-step method described in video 3. Mount an extender arm and cap on this post and secure it with a self-tapping screw. Take one of your 2 spreader bars that come with the gate and attach it to the bottom of one of your gate posts using a 2-part clamp, a bolt, nut and washer, and a small wrench. Make sure the end of the spreader bar is resting against the bolt. Repeat at the other end of the spreader bar, attaching the bar to the other post. Assemble your gate door by inserting the horizontal and vertical pipes for the gate door into the elbows provided in your kit. Be sure to put the longer vertical pipes all the way into the open-ended side of each elbow, and then to put the shorter horizontal pipes in so that each butts up against the vertical pipe already in the elbow. If this procedure is not followed closely, your gate may have serious problems. Attach the 4 elbows to the 4 pipes on the gate door with 32 self-tapping screws, 8 for each elbow. This sounds like a devil's marathon, but it's not. Turns out each elbow has 8 holes that can serve as resting places for the 8 screws. So you don't need any nail set or countersink bit. Just use an electric drill and Phillips head bit to drive the screws in directly. You'll find they go in easily. Next, install the turnbuckles. Hook a turnbuckle through the corner hole in one of the elbows and string the turnbuckle's monofilament line through the U in one of your U-bolt clamps. Then string this same line through the hole in the corner elbow diagonally across the gate door from the turnbuckle, and string this line back through the U-bolt clamp. Before tightening the clamp, make sure both hook screws on the turnbuckle are unscrewed as far as possible. Then pull the line through the hole in the corner elbow, making it taut, and tighten the nuts on the U-bolt clamp with a small wrench. Finally, cut off the excess line below the U-bolt. Should you wish to tighten the line further in the future to adjust the door, you can do so by simply screwing in the turnbuckle's hook screws. Repeat this same procedure with the second turnbuckle, line, and U-bolt, and you will find the turnbuckles and their two lines forming a large X in the door opening. Put a male hinge on one of the gate posts just above the bottom spreader bar. Raise the door and rest one of its corners on this male hinge. Then apply another male hinge just above the gate door, poking down into the gate door so as to hold the door in place and give it a second point on which to turn. Place the top spreader bar just above the gate door, using the same hardware you used to attach the bottom spreader bar. Install your gate latch at a convenient height on the post opposite the hinges. Put the latch plate through the double pin with the two threaded ends and fasten the nuts provided with a small wrench. Now you are ready to put polypropylene and metal hexagrid fencing on your gate door, as well as above and below the door. You may wish to do that now, or you may decide to wait until you put these fencing materials on the rest of your fence and do it all together. This concludes our cat fence gate installation video. Our next video, video 6, shows how to apply polypropylene fencing, a process that has the feel of using wrapping paper and bows to do up Christmas presents.